What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to review Doodle Maker. I will review and walk through the members area and show you all the options that are available that you can use when making videos. The vendors, Paul Ponna and Sid Dewar were launching this product in September. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for my updates, and do not miss any forthcoming videos by ringing the notification bell. Doodle Maker videos are used for animated marketing and training videos. So let's get into the product that you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see how it works, and I'll also go over the sales funnel, the OTOs, and my goal with this video is to give you the best information that you can make an informed decision when buying this product. So what is Doodle Maker? It's a cloud-based animated doodle creation software using artificial intelligence to help you create quality videos. They have over 300 plus templates that you can create your own video. You can create videos in almost any language. The software has 60 language voices. Now this is the part that really stucks. Interesting, because most other doodle types won't have this type of auto voice integration. So far, those of you who do videos and utilize auto voice, this might be a viable option for you. I prefer recording my own voice and using my own voice, although I don't use my face in my videos. The one-time cost was low when they launched it, but now it could be pricey, although I see they have some discount at some stages. I was lucky buying it still for a discount price. So this is what you're going to see in the members area. I'm currently in the members area. This is the dashboard with all the things that's available in the dashboard. Here you have tutorials. If you click here, you can see the tutorials, and they have customer support. This is two very important areas that I'm always searching for in any product. If I purchase a product, I want tutorials to show me how to use them. So let's open the training videos, and you will see there's more than enough videos to show you exactly how to use this product. And I suggest that you go through this training. As with any new product, there is a learning curve, and you have to understand before you just jump in and try to make videos on your own. It's really a good product with all the training I'm always looking for. No need to struggle through, just to start, go through the training, and you will have it. So if you want to know about the upsells, the OTOs, upsells, the white label, deluxe, Toon Video and Client Engine is the upsells. But I found that I would never need to use them, so I don't need to upsell to these different products. Your projects, well, I don't have a project yet, so there is nothing in my project list. My purchases. Here what I want to show you, I purchased the Enterprise, Doodle Maker Enterprise. And if I want to see more info, I just click on more info. So if you click on more info, you can see the product, Unlimited Enterprise White Label Rights. And here they give you what is the White Label Agency, White Label Enterprise, and also what they charge for it. This still seems on a special as it's the new year, so make sure you don't miss out. So let's create a product and see how it works. If you click on create a product, you can use a ready-made template. There's 3 options, or you can start from scratch. All videos translation engine. So here you have the different language, 60 different languages that you can choose from. Project from a template. So you can decide if you want a whiteboard, a glass board, or a blackboard. And here you can choose which one you want to use. And then we can look at what is available. Business service male or female. This is the voice that's with it. There are hundreds to choose from. And let's choose the alarm. The first one, alarm installation company. And we will use the female. So what I saw, let's preview. And you can see how it works. So this is how it will look when you start and using this template. And the last slide, contact us. So let's go back and see what else we can do. Let's take this first slide. Now if we click on this, you can customize anything. Time settings. If you open this lock in the time settings, they ask you yes, and you can move around. You can move the animation picture around. And then once you're finished, you can move it to this side, and you can also move your wording. And then once it's finished, you can lock it again. The other thing that's very good also, that you can also decide if you want the picture to be drawn first. Let's look at the preview. And then the wording is coming in. So let's put the picture at the end and see how this will be. So the wording is coming first, and then you will see the picture will be drawn. Now we can customize our picture. If we click on the picture, let's just close the timeline settings. And then if we click on the picture, you can choose the color. We can have it in blue, we can have it in pink, we can have it in green. So you can decide which color you would like to have in your picture. So customizing it to fit your color scheme and your niche. So we can also change any of these. Here you can just stretch this. So if you want to make the size of the font bigger, you can just stretch it. And also if you want to make it a different color, you could go to your color palette and just make the service red. So we can duplicate the slide, we can edit the text. So if you want to edit the text, let's see what are we going to do. Here we can say it must be hand drawn, or it can be in slide from the bottom or from the top, right or left, or slide from the right with the hand. So let's look. Speed. Here we can say if we want it to be fast or slow. So let's look at the preview and how it's looking now. Sliding in from the right, that one was taken. Okay, so this one, let's say slide from the right. Professional alarm, just to make it different, we will ask this to slide from the left. And of course service, we will ask service to come from the bottom by hand. Okay, let's change the color again just to make it a little bit more different, and let's look at the preview. So here is the hand from the left and this one from the right, and here is the drawing. I think this is great, and you can choose anything that you want to happen with your videos and your animations. Now that we're in voice, we can also click on voice and show the options. We can upload your own voice, which I prefer to do, or you can use the voice that they have. And here, upload your voice or record your voice, and then you can make the speed faster or slower. We can use the English, or we can use US, you can use Australian, and then you can choose different, Harry, or we can choose a female, Emily. And this is how you can choose between all these. But what I find with this voice animations, that it doesn't really sound like a human being. It's very close, but I still like to have my own voice uploaded here. And then by pressing upload another voice file, or I can just press this and record my own voice. Hold to record, and then I can talk with my own voice, which I prefer to do. Now we can make this a little bit bigger. The services can be a little bit bigger. Okay, let's see what is the other thing. If we go into text, we can also select the font. We can change the font. They have lots of different fonts for the text. We can also type the text insert. If your input text is different from the project language, so you can also customize this to fit whatever your video is all about, but you can still use the template. Hands, you have different hands. You can choose the hand with the red, you can choose the hand with the black sleeve, so it all shows you. Let's choose the red hand to update. And then backgrounds, you can also have a background, white background, glass background. So let's look at the grass background and see what happens. The hand is coming in, and then the drawing is looking as it is drawn on a glass. So there's a lot that we can play around, from custom colors. We can use custom colors, and you can use white. So let's look at custom colors. Do we want a yellow background? Then you have your yellow background on your customized slide. So in the library, I was clicking now on the sentence. So in the library, there's icons if you want to alarm systems, and you can find different alarm systems. You can also use upload, then you can upload your own file, or you can use Jump Story and look for alarms and see what they have in Jump Story. There's so many options. I think it's endless. And once you start playing with this, I think you will have a blast. And your videos will be looking much better than the previous videos that you made. This is making video making much easier than we ever thought. Going into frequently asked questions, they also thought of what are the things that we might ask questions about, and they put the answers in here, that you don't have to write to the custom service just to ask a question that can be answered very easily. So here, can I create videos longer than 15 minutes? This is what they allow, but you can attach them together, and then you have a video that's longer than 15 minutes. How do I change the order of the slides? There's a lock at the upper part. You can open the lock, change the order, and then you can close the lock again to make sure it stays like you want it to. Now that you know what Doodle Maker software is all about, let's conclude this presentation. In summary, the pros. As you can see, there's a lot, and I didn't even put everything down. Most affordable doodle software that I could find. There's integrated clip art that you can choose from. Very beginner friendly, easy to use. You can change video style after the video is done. There's free audio tracks if you don't want to use your own voice. Free text to speech and transitions. 60 different languages to choose from. Let's look at the cons. Well, cons is not so much, and it's hard to find cons in a great product. So you cannot copy and paste any slide or anything from a slide, because when there's a template, it's on the slide and you use it with the slide. There's only a 15-minute video maximum with the Enterprise, which I bought, but I found out you can paste two 15 minutes together and then you have a longer video. Nothing else that's a con, I would say. Check out the links below for more information. I have a proven system that works, and you can start your online business today following my free training. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please give me a like, thumbs up if you found value in this video. Consider subscribing for more updates, and not to miss any forthcoming videos, ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.